Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this mini twist style using hair that was sent by Hotbraids. They sent me 4 packs of 1B 22-inch kinky bulk hair. Now the hair is very stretchy. I just want to show you guys the length that it is. Now before we get started, I'm showing you guys what you need, which is some edge control, some jam, some clips, a rat tail comb, and this clip that you guys are seeing me, I had already started on one side. This is my first time doing twists, so I wanted to get a little bit more comfortable before I went ahead and showed you guys how I did it. Now, as far as parting, I part the length of the part that the rat tail comb is, and my parts aren't very big either. They're very small as I have very fine hair, so I wanted to keep it minimal. Now on each side, I have a total of 10 rows, or not on each side, but in total I have a total of 10 rows on the front of my head. But in this clip, I'm going to show you how I do my twist. So I just separated one piece of the hair, and I'm taking the bulk hair or the kinky twist hair and I'm putting it in between my real hair. So you're gonna have, or want to have, 3 parts that you can braid, including my hair. I braid it down to about, I want to say like an inch, as you guys can see in this clip. It's important that you start off with a braid and then go into a twist, as you guys are seeing me on film right now, because if you go ahead and just start twisting, it is not going to stay. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I had to do a little bit of trial and error. But yes, you do the braid and then you just twist all the way to the end up until maybe about like an inch or so. I personally wanted the ends to be a little bit curly. You can twist to the ends if that's what you want, but I wanted a little bit of a curly end. So I just wanted to give you guys a close up a little bit. And in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me repeat the process again, braid down a little bit, and then do a twist. So this is what 3 rows in the front are looking like. As I said in the beginning, I have 5 rows on each side of my head, in total of about 10 rows all throughout my front head. The rows of twists that I have. So yeah, ultimately this took me, I want to say about 2 days. No, yeah, 2 days. So the clip that you guys are seeing now is the first day or night that it took me to do my entire head, or not the entire head, the front of my head. Sorry guys. It took me about, I want to say, half a day to do the front of my head, and then another day to do the back of my head. And in this clip, you guys will see me finish that entire row that I just did, which in total is now, I want to say, about 4 rows. And then I do the last row off camera. And this is me with my hair completed. I was so happy once I was done. I'm actually kind of glad how fast that it took me. I usually when I do braids, it takes me about, I want to say, like a week, but this only took me 2 days, which is very fast and very easy. I'm just showing you guys what the back is looking like as well. It's just so such an easy style to do. Now in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me dip the hair Now that I'm looking back on the clip, honestly wish I would have just kept it the way that it was. Honestly, I saw another lady dip it, so I was like, oh, let me just go ahead and do the same thing because it gave a little bit of a stretch. But looking back on it, I kind of like that it was short. You guys will see as I'm pulling the hair out that it is a lot longer than when I initially had it beforehand. So it really did stretch it. So learn from my, well, not mistake, but learn from me and know that you don't necessarily have to dip the hair if you want to sew the ends. You guys should just leave it as it was before, but it's completely up to you. So if you guys do want to, you know, dip it, not dip it, honestly, I think it'll be completely fine. So yeah, I just ended up dipping both sides of my hair, and then in the next clip you guys will see me cut it just to make sure that everything is even, because some pieces were a little bit longer than others, and I honestly like my hair to be all one length. So next I just went in with some foam or hair foam just to, you know, set the hair at the top and make sure everything was looking nice and set. But in these next few clips, you guys will be seeing me put on some edge control because my edges were looking a little crazy for me sleeping in my bonnet last night. And then I also wanted to show you guys some cute little hairstyles that I did with these twists. Honestly, the twists are so lightweight and they're actually really so cute and natural. I'm surprised with me doing it for the first time. I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I really thought that it was so cute. And this lady had ended up stopping me in the store like, oh my god, who did your hair? And I was like, girl, it was me. But I really did like this hairstyle, guys. It's so natural and easy to do. Even if you're a beginner, you'll have no worries with doing this hairstyle. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think of these different hairstyles that I'm showing you guys. Let me know if you guys will end up trying it yourself. Again, thank you guys so much for watching.